Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Many Android users are facing an issue where WhatsApp notifications are not showing on their phone screens. In today's short video, I'll show you how to fix this problem easily on your device. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Reset WhatsApp notification settings. For this, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now find and tap on Notifications. Now again tap the three dots at the top right corner and choose Reset Notification Settings. And tap Reset to confirm. This will restore all WhatsApp notification settings to default. Method 2. Unmute chats. Sometimes we mute a person or group intentionally and forget about it. As a result, we don't receive notifications from them. Here's how to check. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. On the WhatsApp, tap on the Chats tab to view your conversation. Now carefully scroll through your chat list and look for a small speaker icon with a line through it. This means that chat is muted. If you found a muted chat, tap and hold on the chat. Now tap on the unmute icon, usually a speaker icon without a line that appears at the top of the screen. Once unmuted, you'll start receiving notifications from that person or group again. Method 3. Enable notifications from Android settings. For this, open the Settings app on your phone. On the Settings, scroll down and tap on App Management or Apps. Now tap on App List or Manage Apps. In the App Settings list, find and tap on WhatsApp notification. Tap on Notifications and make sure all notification options are enabled. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.